Oh, Lord. This fucking I Am Legend. That bitch She's doing the same shit. What are you gonna do, Karen?
That's not my name, so get my name straight. Go ahead.
You okay, Karen? Go ahead, get my tag.
No.
Get my tag, Karen.
My name is not Karen, so get my name straight.
Get my tag, it's okay.
A45.
Touch me! Do not! Get this on video. It's easy, pal. It's easy.
14, the Pennsylvania statute says this is an electric bicycle and is allowed on everything that anything bicycle is allowed. You are obviously ignorant of the law, and you have no right to stop me. You have no right to stop me on my way to a doctor's appointment. I ride this because I have a medical condition, and you have no right to stop me and question me. No, you do not. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. You are assaulting me.
No, I'm not. You are assaulting me because you are running me over. All you had to do was communicate with me and talk.
Excuse me? Holy shit. Holy shit.
Take a picture of me.
Get off my car.
Did you not take a picture of
I'm
me?
gonna freaking slam your arm in. Get out.
Take a picture of me.
Can you get your arm out of my car?
Why are you here?
Yeah, thank you. What the?
I will call my psycho dad on you.
Oh my god. Ah! Bitch! Don't touch my mirror!
Just drive. Call 911. She's going that mirror too.
Oh, hey! Hey!
Then stay home.
I brought this into my family. Get out of here.
We do too.
Okay, I'm recording you.
Record her. I am recording her.
Goodness sake.
I am never, ever, ever, ever. It's okay, miss.
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
All right.
You know what? These guys are going to want to help you. No! Everyone here. Boys, please, just please. Get away from us. You know what we're going to just, what we're doing, everyone's here trying to help. Yeah, you don't.
For my safety. For my safety only.
There you go. What?
I'm a fire marshal.
Oh, no, honey, here. Everyone's here to help you. Good. Shut up. Honey,
Take that shit.
No, you're safe. You're safe.
Please let go. You don't need the flag.
No.
Please let go. I'm trying to help you.
Where is it?
Next door at the mall. Go.
What the fucking address is on that? You fucking asshole! You fucking devil! You're a fucking asshole!
Ours. This was ours. And you know that. I've told you several times.
That's why I put a fence up so I wouldn't have to see y'all anymore.
Did you get ACC approval? Did you get, let me see the ACC approval. Let me see the ACC approval right now.
Oh, no.
These kids are fucking hitting me and my daughter.
What?
And
Pull the thing!
Pulling the thing ain't gonna do anything.
Next stop is 68 Oh, you're a fucking party worker. You definitely are. I told you fuck your mom. Fuck your mom, bitch!
I don't even know what happened.
Oh! Give me that!
Don't touch my phone.
Don't you dare! I'm calling the cops! I'm calling the cops on that person who's about to...
You can keep your recycling bin.
Ma'am, but you.
But this is not
That's
yours,
not
though.
yours.
This is not yours.
What are you talking about?
Here, get this, Maurice, because she ain't finna snatch nothing out my hand. Listen, lady.
You may take your recycling bin, but the rest is mine.
But it's not yours.
You just walked up on the property and decided that you was gonna take some
Do you
stuff.
have a receipt for it?
No.
Do you have a receipt for it?
Actually, I do.
Okay, well, I need to see that thing.
Okay, well,
Right
I
along
will,
with the police, too.
I will give you the receipt as
Okay.
soon as I take
What have
it.
you taken, ma'am? What have you taken?
Where do you live?
It does not matter where I live.
It does, because you come over here.
But why
to
would
this
you?
house.
Yeah,
You
and
choose this house.
yeah, those are cute.
Like, why? You don't know why? Did you have too many tonight?
She did.
Or did you have too much to drink?
Stop! What do you do? Open the gate now.
That's it. You're in there. You think you got me?
Open the gate.
That's what you get, little.
Wait, this isn't even your property. You can't just lock me in here.
I could do whatever I want. If you could infect my lungs with those fumes, and I can't even run 30 steps.
What are you? I'm gonna get. Unlock this gate now.
No!
What? Is this gate even unlocked?
Get off the steps now! I want the camera out! Who gave you permission? I need your names! Oh, you just did an illegal phone thing. You always work here alone. What's your name and number, Norma Kay? You come here all the time.
I have never been here in my life.
That's a lie! Oh, give me the film and the camera. I've had it with you photographers. If you're a photographer, give me the card. Give me your card. You're here, Dairy Queen, get out. Don't smart to me, you did before.
Fuck is the problem?
I want the film. I want the camera.
What did we do wrong?
You're 1, trespassing. 2, illegal photographs. 3, you're not allowed. 4, you've been yelled at.
Sorry for the hassle.
No, you're not. You'll do it again till I do something to stop it. You want to give me your name so you can explain your story? Jeffrey what?
Hamilton.
Jeffrey's a you photographer.
Hello. How you doing?
Pretty good. I need 10 on pump 1, please.
Where'd you get that mask from?
Well, since we have to wear them and it makes it harder to breathe, this makes it a lot easier to breathe.
Cutting it? Yeah, I'll do that too. Thanks for the advice. Appreciate you.
Recording me now? Hey, internet! This man and his Doberman just attacked me and my Chihuahua.
It's not a Doberman. What are you doing?
Help! He just bit me!
No, he didn't.
Bit me. Help! Police! Someone call the police! Help!
Do that again? I was delivering my pizza, and what were you saying?
Get out of here.
Why?
This is private property and you're trespassing.
I'm delivering a pizza.
Get out.
Jesus
Not a
Christ.
request.
What is wrong with you? Will you please get out of my way? Are you serious?
Get out.
You're saying that I can't have a hairstyle because of your culture? Why?
Because it's my culture. You know what bothers me.
Do you know it was in Egyptian culture? Are you Egyptian? Nah, bro, I'm not.
Are you Egyptian?
No, but it doesn't matter.
Wait, where's Egypt? Tell me.
You know what, girl? Dude, girl, you have no right to tell me what I can wear. Huh?
Where's Egypt?
Yo, girl, stop touching me right now.
Yo, girl, stop touching me right now.
Get off of me.
Come back. You put your hands on me, don't worry.
Like, you know, make such some shit because of what the hair I have? That's no reason, yo. I don't need your disrespect. I don't need your disrespect.
Why are you filming this?
Just for everyone's safety.
You're gonna go do your thing, and I'm gonna do mine.
No.
That's the way it works. Have a nice day.
You don't do that.
Do you guys see this?
I do. I sure do see it.
Oh, you're having a problem with this?
Yeah, just let this guy walk down the street. He's not bothering you.
Come here.
I don't want to come here.
This is the America we're talking about, Margie. Have a nice day. That's recorded on
Really?
Really?
You guys,
Fuck off the sidewalk now!
Seriously.
Excuse me.
You too!
Excuse me.
What, you think it's special?
Excuse me. Why are you
You
touching
think
me?
it's
Back the
special?
fuck up.
You don't know how to drive. You're ugly. Oh God. Ooh. This is going right to the leasing office.
What, bitch?
This is going right to the leasing office.
Okay? They can't feed their families.
It doesn't matter. He's out
It
here.
does matter.
He's out here
I
trying to
don't
make
want
a
him in my
living.
neighborhood. You go to Indian Wells, you don't see lawlessness.
It doesn't matter. Then
It
call
does
the
matter.
cops.
It brings
Have
down
them-
quality of life.
You're not a police officer. You're not a police officer.
Excuse me, I'm a
You let-
citizen.
you
I
let
have
the
a right
police
to
officers-
speak.
You
I
let
have
the
a
police
right to
officers
speak.
deal with that.
So let
The cops
the
are coming. Go
So
ahead.
let the cops.
The cops are coming.
You need
Let
to stop
them come
harassing
then.
this man. That's harassing. You need to stop harassing him.
Not harassing.
Karen!
Harassing him.
Karen,
This is our property.
Stop harassing him.
you live in Indio, Karen.
And do what? You're gonna call the cops on my kids for playing in a McDonald's? I'm talking to you.
Screaming is
I'm
not
talking
playing.
to you. It is playing.
Not when
They're
everyone-
playing
You're taking over
in
the-
the kids
You can
area.
hear it in the
Just
bathroom.
because you're
You're
middle-aged
screaming
and
in
have
the
no kids
bathroom.
and no family
That's not true.
doesn't mean
You're screaming in the bathroom. I can hear
they're
them
kids.
in the
They're
bathroom.
playing.
Lower it. Lower it down.
No, they're kids.
They don't have the
Leave.
right to take over the whole
They
restaurant.
do. They're
No, they
kids.
don't.
Get out.
It's not okay.
It is okay.
It's not okay for kids to scream so loud that the people on the complete other side of the
They're
restaurant
happy.
cannot
Why are
enjoy
you
themselves.
upset that kids are happy?
That's not it.
Yeah, that is it.
No, but I'm just trying to enjoy the restaurant too.
I understand.
No, I don't.
understand.
I'm not sure you
I'm not
do.
saying, I'm not saying both sides, any side is right, but
Don't
they
you
are
think the
saying
restaurant's for everyone?
I do.
So I should.
You're
be
trying
able
to make it just for
Excuse me, I'm
you.
talking to him.
You're
No.
trying to make it just
I'm
for
trying to
you
make
and
it for
dictating what everyone else has
everyone.
to do.
I'm trying to make it for everyone, but I'm.
It's kicking dogs, and now she's assaulting me.
I'm assaulting you.
Yes, you're assaulting me. Look at this. Look at this. Now you're hitting me.
Are you
After you kicked my dog.
Are you gonna hit me?
She's the witness.
Are you gonna hit me?
No.
Are you gonna hit me?
No, I'm not. I'm not gonna hit you.
Well, I'm gonna take your dog away.
Don't f***ing take my dog away. I'm trying to get out of here. She's walking around kicking dogs.
She assaulted me.
She's walking around kicking dogs.
Me.
Look, I can't even get out of here. And she just kicked him again. You don't like being recorded? As you're punching me? She's walking around. Ask her.
I don't think, honestly, you can't punch me. Like,
I don't think so.
okay, well, it's illegal to take pictures of people that they don't have to give you permission. So,
Good to know.
do you want to delete it now, or do you want me to talk to someone about pursuing something with you, since it's illegal what you just did? You can talk to security if you want. Okay, let's go. Let's go do that.
Oh, I'm not following you. You can tell them what I look like or something.
Okay, that sounds good. So I'll just get a picture of you. Very nice. And I will go send that to security, and they will be out here shortly. Fuck you, bitch.
Calm down.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
He apologized.
It's my fault.
He apologized.
Yeah, I know. It's
And
my
you know what? That didn't upset me. But the bitch ass hoe
Sorry,
that told me
bitches.
to calm down. What I'd like you to do is apologize instead of being a bitch.
You're calling me sorry, but you're calling me a bitch. So set an example.
I'm sorry. My kids can't hear me calling you a bitch.
Your window's open.
They can't hear me because they're listening to Kids Bop.
I've been very
George, I am doing my job.
No, you're not. Your job
I
is
am
to be
doing
a
my
principal.
job.
Do we go here?
My
no.
job is to get
no.
you off the campus. This is a
No,
place
that's
of
the
business.
security's job. You're a
That is
principal.
my job.
You know what?
Get off the campus!
Quit yelling at me! Ah! Ah! Oh no!
Okay, so you're not gonna let me in to deliver this food. I have the number.
Yeah, we don't like pictures.
I mean, I'm just.
Don't point that shit at me.
I'm trying to.
Point that fucking.
I have food I have to deliver to somebody, man.
Don't deliver anything here. We
don't Well, want your you're-
delivery.
You're not.
We don't want you to
You didn't get the
deliver here.
food.
I don't want you. I don't want you here.
You don't want me
you
here.
at all.
Excuse me, Paul. There's a woman like at the door. My name
Hello?
is Jordan. I'm
Who
working
is
in
this?
place.
Who is
Excuse
this?
me. Can you back
Who is
away
this?
from me, man?
No,
I'm not
this
even.
is my bill. I'm not gonna.
I'm
back
just
away
trying
from you.
to-
Who is this? Who's on the speaker?
Hello?
Yeah, who's on the speaker?
Ma'am, can you back?
Who's speaking? I live here in this building. Who is this?
Your food
Who
is.
is this?
This is Paul Morpheus. I'm in 212. I'm getting a Postmates delivery.
A Postmate delivery in 212. 212 where?
I'm sorry?
Yeah, where do you live, sir?
Ma'am, can I?
You live
can I
in it,
do
or
my
you
job,
live?
please?
No.
You're not gonna let me do my job.
I'm not letting this man in. Can I bring your food to you? I'm at the entrance
Oh, so
of the
you
building.
want to bring the?
I'm at the entrance to your building.
Who are you? Who is this?
I live here. I pay rent here.
So I do too. So what are you asking?
I'm asking you to get out of my building because you don't live here.
I'm a black man. I'm trying to deliver. My
I don't
mom
care
is
if he's a
my
purple
mom,
man.
I'm
He
working
doesn't
for my
live
mom.
here.
Her name is Anna.
Yeah, I don't care.
My name
who
is
he's
Jordan.
working for.
I'm
I
trying
don't
to
care what
deliver
your
your
name
food.
is,
She
sir.
said
I
she
want
doesn't
you
want
out of
me
the
here.
building.
She doesn't want me near here. I just want
I
to
don't
deliver
want
your
him
food.
near
I have
here
other
because
orders
I don't
have to
know him,
deliver.
and I don't
I
want
know how
people
you,
buzzing him into my building.
I don't know how to do this for you, but
I don't want
she's
people
like
buzzing
in front of
him
the door.
into a
I can't do
security
anything
building.
right now.
I don't know him. I know everybody in this building. He doesn't live here, and he's not a delivery boy. He had no car, no bike, nothing.
The car
He
that
is
I
not
pulled up in, that white,
Domino's,
that's my
he's
white,
not Pizza Hut.
that's my white car over
He's
there.
not a delivery. He is not a delivery service.
Yeah. Okay.
He didn't get out of a Lyft. He didn't get out of an Uber. He didn't get out of a car,
So
Mercedes, a Honda, anything.
Hello?
He's a black
Paul?
guy
Is he
walking
still
around who has
I don't
a
think he's
clicker to
lying.
get
I think
into
he's
any
coming
building
down.
he wants to.
Okay.
Yeah, dude, you got codes, dude.
I got codes.
You don't got a brain.
I don't got a brain.
And Generation Z or X, whatever you are, people are dildos.
I'm a
You're not
dildo.
getting in.
I'm not
You
getting
don't
in.
have a key, dude. You're
Yeah,
not going to get. I have a key. You
That's
don't.
cool.
You can't.
Can you not touch me?
No, can you not film me?
Okay, thank you. So I can.
I'll be behind
Appreciate you.
so I don't want you filming me.
What? Can you get away from me?
No, that phone? No, I don't.
Lady,
think that's
can you?
funny,
Because
your fucking phone?
you're getting.
Yeah?
You're getting close to me.
It could have made you laugh.
I mean, I guess this is really terrible. This is horrible. Hi, Paul. Did you want me to? Excuse me. Excuse me. Do you want me to leave it down here for you?
Should I just come downstairs?
Please, please. Yeah, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.
Buzz 110.
No.
Yeah, Buzz 110.
Not doing anything for you. I don't know you.
Buzz 110.
I'm,
you knew how to buzz him.
By the way, I have this on just
I'm
so that
curious.
and if you
You
do
wanna hear
something
music?
to me,
You don't want to hear music?
I just
Buzz
want it to
110.
be.
Here's
Okay.
110. Pound.
I just want to document this.
110.
Just doing my
There.
job.
Let's
It's
see
one
if
of
it
my 3
works.
jobs.
They took my name off.
Trying to
Did you know
deliver
that?
food.
They took my name off the directory. They used to have.
So you don't even live here.
I live here, asshole.
So then
I
why
lived
they-
here for 7 years.
But
and
they
I
took
don't
your
like
name
your
off?
fucking pig fuck phone either. Okay, how do I do this? Let's see. Press pound.
Alright, I'm gonna step over here.
110. Let's see if it buzzes
This
my
is
room.
crazy.
Yeah, what's up with
Can you
guys?
back
I mean, how
away
old are
from
you?
me?
27? You're my son.
I'm not
You
talking
play
to you
ball?
anymore. I'm
He
not gonna
plays
talk to you.
basketball.
That's cool.
Yeah, good. This guy's a neighbor.
Cool.
I see him all the time.
That's great.
I've never seen you in my life.
Because I don't live here.
Look at somebody.
I can see you. I wasn't
No,
talking
your
to you.
phone's looking at me.
As well.
As well. I
Just
don't
in case
know
you try to
this
call the
person. I don't
cops
know
or
this
something
person.
and tell
I
them
don't
one
know
thing,
that. You
and
guys
it's
and your
not that.
phones, how would you like me to go? You're like this. You can't do anything without him.
Dude,
You carry a little phone around.
this-
You can't do anything.
what are you doing right now? Like, why are you I just don't understand. Like, you're crazy. Okay.
Okay, I have one too. You like Galaxy?
Nah, it's an Android. I don't fuck with Androids. Paul?
Yeah, but you're not.
Here,
I'm
Paul.
not letting him
I'm-
buzz.
No, I buzzed.
No, he's not going to be buzzed in.
No, I just want to get my food. I just want to get
Yeah,
my
just
food.
get your food.
Thank you, Paul. Have a good one. Sorry about that.
Now, why haven't I?
Jesus Christ. It's crazy.